So here we have a 95 Roadmaster sedan I just picked up. It's got 120 something thousand miles on it. And as you can see, it's been sitting for quite a while under a pine tree. Sappy. Blue interior. It's not too bad. Took these covers off, the pass key's flipping out. It's got, 138. Okay, that was a little bit less. It's alright. Yeah, for a New England car, it's not too bad. Got a little cancer here. And a little starting over here. Usual trim falling off. But all in all, not too bad. LT1, of course. Take a look under there. So I just actually brought it, rented the U-Haul, towed it with the Dodge. Typical hood latch. A whole lot of pine needles. So the thing runs like shit and misfires. Has a code for the optical sensor on the OptiSpark. Guy I got it from never actually drove it. He got it from a friend of his who did the Opti, and I think he put one of those Chinese eBay ones in there, so it's probably no good. So what I'm going to do, before I even get to any of that, is I'm going to give it the Tractorland patented cleaning system here and defilth this car and see what we are working with and take it from there. Here's a little skip in there, something an exhaust leak. Yeah, still needs a good detailing, but night and day difference from how it was. I'm going to nickname this one the Sap Master. There's a lot of tree sap on this car. And I did blow some of it off too, the bigger chunks, so. Not too shabby. Even wash the engine too. Sprayed it down with Simple Green and hit it with the power washer. Despite what everyone else says about the Opti, I blast them. I figure if it doesn't run afterwards, the Opti needs service anyways. Interior needs a cleaning. Here's the check engine light. Gotta do the door jam, just clean the interior. That's the Roadmaster. Should be a decent driver. A little bit of work should be good.